Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm re-uploading this video and the update will be the voiceover and also the clarification of some points. It was my first video on concrete mix, marble concrete mix. There are many people who didn't understand what I was showing. Now I'll explain everything by talking. So to start, you have to protect yourself with gloves and a mask. I still use the masks I sewed in my previous tutorials on this channel. We will also need a scale and a reusable soft plastic jar to avoid wasting plastic cups. We will need 115 grams of casting plaster, 57.5 grams of white cement. You can use the gray cement, it will give a little more solid vessel, and 57.5 grams of building sand and 115 grams of water. These measures are custom made to this mold. I knew it after doing some tests. Here you can see that I put 230 grams directly. By the way, what I do is that I pre-mix my ingredients in advance. How do I pre-mix? For example, I mix 2 kilograms of plaster with 1 kilogram of cement and 1 kilogram of sand in a big box, and when I want to make vessels, the mix is ready and I add only water, which will be half the weight of the powders. The formula is 2 parts of casting plaster with 1 part cement and 1 part sand and 2 parts water. I prepare the dye in a syringe. You can use a stick or even a small spoon. You'll need something to mix with. For me, it's a fork. Add the water to the powders and mix for about 1 minute. Add a few drops of the dye and mix in this way, using a stick. Then pour into your mold. As soon as you see that there is no more dye, add more. If you don't know how many grams your mold needs, you will have to mix a larger amount of powder and water. I tap to bring up the bubbles. I put this lid on to keep the mold around. The silicone of this mold is very soft. It can get deformed. And then I let it dry for 20 minutes, not 20 hours, okay? Once the 20 minutes are over, I unmold.
Gently roll out and peel off the sides first before pulling the mold out.
And here's the result. Look at it, how it's beautiful. Each time it's a surprise. It's always random. Every vessel is unique.
I still fascinated.
I hope you enjoyed the video and understood better what I'm showing. If so, give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!
But before leaving, let me show you some pictures of my work.